And students, this is a honeybee boxes which I have kept in the field, and here are some ladies. They are the owners of these boxes. I will perform the some practicals here, which I will explain at the time of doing some practical. Okay. Now honeybees are. Do you know that honeybees are very much important for the pollination in agriculture? They are doing pollination. Also, it is very important for the agriculture point of view. Okay, as the honeybees are there, we get the food from different plants or different crops. Okay, now here the boxes which are kept here are of a type, or I will say a species, is Apis mellifera. That is a European bees. They have kept here boxes in their field. You can see the field is there. We will see that afterward. And it is benefited, the crops are benefited due to the pollination which are made by these honeybee boxes. Okay, now you can see some of the workers bee, they are coming out and going again inside. Okay, you can watch here. Okay, now while doing the practical, you have to follow some rules and regulations. Now what are the rules? First, before opening the box, you should have a smoker. Now smoker is a thing, a small device. This is a device of a smoker. Okay, and this smoker, I have to burn it down, and I have to make some smoke here. I will make it right now so that you can see how to make the smoke. Now this smoke will help us to give a anesthesia to the worker bees. When you make a smoke for half an hour, now I will burn it again. And put inside so that it will be a this smoke will help us to work with the honeybees. Now in a box, when I will open, I will show you the 3 types of bees inside. One is the queen. Queen is the important part of the honeybee boxes, or in the comb also. Okay, now this honeybee queen is an important part, which generally all the workers, they are following the queen. Okay, now this smoke is ready. I will open the box and I will show you all the different cast of the boxes. Now you can see here a very little smoke is required. It is given because they will be given a anesthesia for half an hour. Okay, so as they are friends of mine, they will not do anything to me. You can see with the bare hands I can open. Now you can see this is a frame. Now sometimes you can keep 7 frames or 9 frames or 8 frames in a box. Okay, now you can see here the hexagonal cells. Come here. Take. Okay, now all these are workers and some of them are drones. And you can in the this thing in cells you can see there are honey is located there. They are preparing the honey inside. You can see properly. Okay, I will take the another one. Now see, this is another. You can see here the honey is produced inside the hexagonal cells. Now how the honey is produced, that is also one thing. I have told you there is one queen in a box and there are around 40 to 100 drones present in a box. Also there is a one queen also. So now you can see the queen also here. Show the queen. See here, queen is there. Right, that is the queen. That is the queen. Queen is an important part of the box. You can see the queen also very closely. Also, there are drones present. 40 to 100 drones are there. Also, there are 25,000 to 30,000 workers present. Okay, now queen is an important part which I told you just now. She lives for 3 years. Also, drones are living around 50 to 70 days. And workers are living for only 6 weeks, that is 42 days. Now for 42 days, there are different type of works they have to perform. That I will explain in a PPT presentation. How they are doing the work for 42 days. Okay. Now, this is important thing. I will remove the another one. Now you can see the one of the cells are produced there. Some of the different cells are produced there, and those cells are called as extra cells. Okay, now here you can see some of the muddy cells which are packed there. Now the muddy cells, it means that there are a larvae present inside that muddy cells. Okay, that muddy cells, if you see, you can find out, if you open that, you will find larvae are present inside those muddy cells. Okay, now muddy color cells. Okay, now you can see from this side also. Now see, different cells are there. Okay, now here inside you will find full of worker bees, they are performing. Worker bees, they are performing. Now you can see one thing is important here. I am not weird even the anything. I am just with the bare hand I can take it. If you talk with them properly daily, you will be, they will not do anything to you. So this is one important thing. Fear should not be there. If you fear, you will be in trouble. Okay, now this is very important thing which I want to tell all the honey bee keepers who want to do business of this afterwards. Now here you can show, just show there inside, this side, all these details you can show. Okay, now you will see there are combs present inside. They are prepared comb because there are many worker bees present inside, and the honey is not extracted for so many days. This is a very tough this thing, full of honeybee this thing. I will not remove it because there are so many workers are there inside the bees. Okay, now here if you see total 7 frames are there. If you have a box of different sizes, you can keep 9 frames, 8 frames or even 12 frames also. So different sizes are there. So what are the requirements, or I will say equipments required. Requirements are like this. The first one is the box with the colony. So box is nothing but it is box. When I say honeybee box, it means that it is nothing but it contains one queen, then around 40 to 100 drones, and 25,000 to 30,000 worker bees are present in each boxes. Okay, this is one thing required. Second thing which I have shown you, this is the smoker. Okay, smoker. And the third thing is the stand. Stand. Show the stand. See, I have to keep this box on one some stand. Okay, now there is one thing. This is a, I will say, cap. This cap is needful because if a new person is there, he can wear this and there will be no bite from the worker bees. Important thing, remember, drones never bite, this queen never bite, only the worker bee with the help of ovipositor, not from the mouth, remember well. From the ovipositor side, this honeybee worker bite to us. When they feel that somebody is giving trouble to them, they will bite. Okay. Otherwise, they don't bite. Even I have not wear this cap today. I have just wear with the help of bare hand. I have removed those you have seen. So no question. Likewise. Now honey is produced. This is one thing. And another thing, two instruments are required. One is a brush. One is a brush. Okay. Another one is a hive tool. Hive tool is required to remove the sometimes if it is packed, you can remove with the help of this hive tool. This is a hive tool. A simple hive tool can be made from a local material. Okay, so likewise this is a box is there. Okay, now how the honey is produced by the worker bee, I will explain. Now come to the flowers. Flowers, you can see here on the flowers, honeybees are they are wandering here and there on the flowers. They are doing the pollination work, one thing. Second thing, they also collect the nectar from the flower, as well as they also collect the pollen grains which are present in these flowers. They collect it with the help of the legs. Honeybees have pollen collecting legs. Okay, and that there is hind legs are modified for pollen collection. Now this pollen collection is done for as it is a part of a important nutrient. Okay, why? I will tell you why it is important nutrient for the honeybees. You can see here different those honeybees, they are wandering here and there on the flower, and you get these are the fruits from the one of the tree. Okay, we in our local language it is called as Didonia. If you see this, these are the fruits getting because of the pollination done by the honeybees. Okay, now here one more important thing. Okay. Now I will close the box because there is a time for workers to go outside and I have to keep it again on the same place. This is very important again. When you fix one place to keep these boxes, this is very important. You should not move here and there. I have moved because I have to take some photographs and some video shooting. That's why I have moved. But I have to place it again to the same place. Just Okay. Now I have kept this honeybee box again at the same place which was earlier there. Okay. Now, uh, now if you see very clearly, you will find the pollens are present on the hind legs of the worker bees. Yeah. Now I will show you worker bee has the pollen. You can see the hind legs has the pollen, yellowish color pollen is there. You can see the pollens are there. Okay, now see, she is not doing anything to me because she knows that I am not an enemy of her. I am a friend of her. Okay, now she will go. I will say go. She is gone. Okay, now important thing is that very important thing, we will see some other trees like a lemon is there, okay, and guava is there. Come here. Now this is the full of lemons, okay, because there are honeybees present. If you see different any branch, you will find there is a lemons are present inside also. Okay, too many lemons are there. Okay, also if you see the guava plant has so many guavas on the plant, on the tree, because of the pollination. When the pollination is very clear or done by the worker bees, you can find the worker bees are doing good pollination. Now if you go to the another trees like a tomato is there and so many plants are there like chili is there and gourds are there, you will find the pollination is done very perfectly. Okay, now how honey is made, that I will explain you. Come here. Now you see the honeybees are working on the flowers. They are on the flowers. They are collecting the nectar. Nectar is nothing but it is a sucrose. Sucrose is a complex sugar. This nectar is taken into their mouth with the help of chewing and lapping type of mouth parts. Okay, it is like a straw, you can see. A very simple language. It is like a straw. This straw they are inserting into the flower and sucking the nectar. After sucking the nectar into their mouth, in a honeybee mouth, there is a secretion of the enzyme called as invertase. Invertase enzyme